How to see through a marker on iPhone picture. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you're inside, browse through your library and select the image you wish to edit. Now, tap on the Edit button located at the bottom to open the editing tools. In the editing interface, you can access various tools to enhance your photo. Navigate to the Adjust section to fine-tune aspects like exposure, brilliance, and contrast by moving the sliders. As you can see, you can now see through the marker in the picture. Continue adjusting other settings such as highlights, shadows, and brightness until you are happy with the result. Once you are satisfied with the changes, tap Done in the top right corner to save your edits. Following these steps, you can easily see through a marker on an iPhone picture. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.